Hey, where's your hat,
onion?
Tuja? Oh, it has right there. Try to put that fish in your pond.
That is a nice one.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that fish in my pond.
Oh,
Wow.
Oh.
very good.
Okay. Here, I'll take a photo. So what you do is you turn it sideways and hold it out like this. Yeah, except, yeah, there you go. Hold it like that. That looks a little bit tortured, but
It's like someone that taught him how to
hold it more
make a
this
little
way.
finger.
In front, no, toward me. And now straight out, but sideways. There you go. Oh, and when we got the net down, we should have it like this so people don't step on it. Wow, what's his name? Should we call him Magnus?
You don't
That
know.
means big. See these little sticks? Oh, and look at these chunks of wood.
Are those yours?
Wow.
These? Yeah.
You got some left, huh? Do you need another rod?
Dude,
So you going out fishing?
Tuja's having fun.
No, Talon's just
So lava.
Like that?
Yeah, we will. Yeah, it's lots of things.
So
Did or not?
a couple ducks and leeches. If you don't want to use them, I'll take 10 of them. I'm gonna open it, and you just wrap it around your arms. Oh dear! Did I break it? Okay. Now just pull the line, because we got to empty all this line off. Go ahead, just keep pulling it. No, don't wrap it real tight. Wrap it loose so you can just take it and throw it away.
Yeah, Tuja. Those are just thrown away, so just pull it all up.
Yep, just keep pulling. Jack and Talon are going fishing, right, Jack?
Can me and Tuja come?
Is it okay if Peng comes with you?
No, I'm already okay to come. That's why.
All right.
Yeah.
I heard them calling out from there. Then Mama
I
and
don't think
Daddy
you're
were
gonna be
calling
with me.
back.
Jack.
No.
So here, let me give you some pointers.
Yeah, the net's going where you guys are going.
Tata mong jail. Look at me.
Okay.
I know, it's heavy breathing. I wouldn't categorize it.
I want to learn when it's not.
Wake up, Talon.
Yeah, get it.
Listen to Talon and Uncle Jack, okay?
Yeah,
An X and a S.
yeah. Feel
Okay,
free to
you
yell
know
and
who the
splash
captain
water
is.
at him if he doesn't
You gotta
listen.
listen to Jack.
Thank you.
Go show us how it's done, okay?
Good.
You know,
Lots of good luck, you
you
guys.
can beat Slava. We know that.
Huh?
You can beat Slava's 19-inch walleye.
Okay, well, we're not going for size, we're going for numbers.
You're on a mission to meet.
Well,
That's
you're
your-
going there
that's
for
your
the
mission.
experience.
Okay, have fun.
Best of luck, douche.
Listen, Tuja.
Okay. Who's in the front, Fred?
Well, I think,
All of you.
Bye.
well, are you coming?
No, I
Catch fishes.
Oh,
Okay.
Slava, you're not coming?
No,
we got room for you. We need
no,
ballast.
that's all right.
You know ballast. We need it.
Okay, we're going for
Ballet.
threesome is good. Foursome is somewhat.
Foursome.
Where are you going to sit, Fred?
Threesome is good.
Right? Get some. Swing that didn't
See you later, Tuja.
be ballast.
He wants to take a nap.
Yes.
I recognize that maneuver. Oh, no, I don't want to bother you guys. I'll just stay here. Okay, Slava, your job is to fend off the bear.
Yeah, there are three of us to do that. So.
Yes.
Give us if there's danger, give us a semaphore.
Okay, let go.
Okay.
Let go.
I'll be tanning. I might go for a swim. Woo-hoo. Woo. Bỏ nó nữa. Tôi ra nhá bú tí lúc ai liền tỏ đó. Suppose I never bỏ chỉ nên chừng Monday blueberry đó. Nung jay nó jack the talent. Oh, only grandpa lots on the shot. Grandpa the area. Oh.
We landed there 1 year temporarily.
You did Bluegill Bay. You did that whole night. You're staying up all night.
When did you become a divinity?
Tuja's coming back. What do you think, Tuja? Okay.
I caught one fish.
You caught a fish?
Only one fish.
Oh, that's pretty good. I caught 0 fish.
No, Daddy. Jack caught it.
Oh, I thought you said you caught 1 fish.
No, we only caught one.
Oh, all 3 of you guys.
Only
One.
bite the whole time.
Damn.
Yeah.
Okay, how about two?
Tuja Vu.
All right. You're next.
Uh-oh.
What?
You enjoy it?
What?
You said you caught 1 fish, but it got away.
No,
Yeah,
I
you forgot your-
caught one,
you
except
forgot
it
your
bit
fishing
the
pole.
leech off.
Got your fishing pole.
You guys were fishing.
This is Tuja's swing. Go. Woo! Okay, now my turn.
Okay.
Okay. You press it-
Skrrr.
you press it already or what?
Yeah, press it.
That's so
They're
funny.
recording you.
Step further away. Step further away so you can see my whole body. What's up, homie? Good. Stop turning it. Ready? Set.
I didn't even record you.
What are you doing? Stop going up there. Show me. That's pretty cool. Father, you okay?
Your turn, Daddy. Seagull feathers.
You. Of course.
I
Where
think
to
I have to
now?
go for the woods a little bit more. I have to go for the woods more.
Okay. Follow you.
Okay, follow the leader. Boy, it sounds like follow the leader. Oh yeah, mushroom. Oh, I think we got. No, I don't think we have it. Look at it, it's a leaf that got stuck together again.
Yeah. How do you go up there to that?
I'm going up here so we can go up. See, this is where I'm going fishing.
What?
This is where I'm going fishing.
Oh.
Oh, this one.
Oh, careful. Don't go too close to the edge. It's just slippery.
Let's go back now.
Yeah, where'd you draw everybody to draw?
We have to show everybody. Duh. Say, bro, look at that.
Balloon.
Look at my.
Yeah, because he calls each other
know.
bro.
Robin.
Oh, look at my card.
And we got
This is my morning dove.
morning dove,
It's an ostrich.
ostrich.
I got a chickadee.
What did you get again, Tyler?
Put mine in
You got a
my
duck.
traveling safe.
Right.
I'm gonna have to go get it
Oh,
out.
two jacks.
Pelican.
Oh, pelican. Whoops. Pelican. And a shoe bell.
Shoebill stork.
Ooh. Now we need Gary. What's Gary?
I'm not eating it tomorrow though.
Tuja, what are we making?
Cheesecake.
Ooh.
What about you, Goo?
Stop it. Stop being too silly. You're gonna knock the bowl down.
Hey,
Take it on and wash it.
Oh, the one we did was
Yeah, lick it on.
that's one of the
That's your fork you gotta use to eat later, okay?
It was 3 years ago.
Keep licking it. There's still stuff in there.
You're giving out the spoons, not the fork.
But there's also
Oh, okay, well, go rinse that in the water.
oh, I'm bleeding.
This Nani Boujou place.
Oh,
where
no.
it was-
No,
It
it's
tastes
just
like
this.
cherry.
It's
Oil.
Lard.
We're making it with mashed potatoes.
Animal fat. We forgot to get.
It's not mashed potatoes.
Oil.
We're making it with mashed
It looks like
this time.
Bacon oil.
It's
looks
not.
like lard.
But I would try it with mashed potatoes.
We didn't even make mashed potatoes.
Yeah, you just did.
Doesn't it look like mashed potatoes?
Bold Eagle.
Wait, not that, Juja. It's supposed to be the pot.
Pot?
Yeah, but the pot's all black and full of charcoal.
Yeah.
You have to lick the outside.
Bold Eagle.
Yeah.
Here you go, Tush.
You can lick the outside, Juja.
Oh,
I don't want it.
No,
I
I
don't
gotta
want to
use
lick
this
it. I don't want to lick it.
thing.
Yeah.
Why?
You go ahead.
See some corner that doesn't have any blueberries in it.
Cherry has like a bunch of sugar in it too.
See the
Yeah,
corner
see.
that
No,
doesn't
no.
have any blueberries in it.
Where do you get those ideas? Sounds so judgmental.
What? I don't want a spot that has blueberries in it.
Huh? Why? They're all good, Juja. It's good for you. Wow, Juja, look at these fresh berries. Picked
They're not
from
fresh.
here.
They're from yesterday.
Yeah, well, it's still fresh. From here.
Not fresh.
More fresh than the grocery store.
Yeah.
More, Jackie.
Yeah, a
more.
little
These are
spot for me.
hand-picked by Grandpa. And all of the...
No.
More?
No.
What do you think?
No.
Oh, there's a fly eating already.
The camera's running.
Oh, yeah, you're the last person to
I'm not.
Yeah.
Daddy's the last person.
Here come the seagulls.
Oh, wait.
Don't knock it over, Tuja.
No.
All right, who goes first? Tuja went second last night. Freddie went first. So Slava, you're second oldest. You go first. All right.
Yeah.
And who's second youngest?
Me.
Him.
Well, I'll let
Jack
Tuja
with
have my
talent.
fight.
Okay, Tuj.
What? Why would you do that, Jack?
Look at that.
Hey, what are you doing? Why are you scooping everything up?
Those darn little bugs are in it.
Oh.
Hey, did you wash your hands?
Just take
Yes,
it.
I
Stop.
did.
Stop.
All right,
doing
everyone go for it. Enjoy. Bon appetit.
Look at this guy.
Wonderful.
Oh, look at this guy.
Hey.
Oh, he's doing the dishes.
Uncle, you're gonna do the dish. You heard that?
Last night here.
Okay, you get the 2 marbles for this
Yeah, the food quality really varies. So the restaurant managers have to be on top of it. Because they'll send, if you accept it, they'll send rotten food. And if you take it, they'll just keep on sending.
you're closer.
Do people complain when you cook up walleye?
Yeah, but usually it takes a few months for word to get to the owner. And then once word finally gets to the owner after, 4, 5,
No, you
8
can only
months,
probably
then it's the biggest deal in the world.
What do you mean?
only for the starters.
What do you mean only for the starters?
Only for the
I
starters.
saw it the way you did it.
Yeah, I did it for the starters. You didn't. You
Well, I
didn't
don't
get
know
your
what that
chance-
means.
You didn't get your chance to do it.
Oh, I missed.
I think if hitting me with the newspaper.
Okay, you got it.
Because you
Why
cheated.
that one?
I didn't. Oh.
Oh, careful.
You know, you'd think that he would say, okay, here's what.
Ngaya nunca. Pack it up, Mooj. ta đó mà bên nó chạy là lô từ tàu Ginu lau mò nè.
Yeah, you don't want any hotcakes, Josh?
That's being so dumb all the time.
Get some hotcakes, boy.
Get some hotcakes, boy. That's
Happy wife, happy life.
You can't get anywhere.
Well, I think it would be unique. Okay. From the
that's a
Spider.
Hey, that's a
Little boy Spider-Man.
that's a water spider's web.
Okay, let's go to beautiful land. One
Let's
last
go
time.
On your land.
This is the way to beautiful land nè. Tôi ra cho bên mù
Daddy,
người có
you
chơi.
never recorded at beautiful. You only
Đây bên
record
mù
up
trẻ
to
đó.
here and you can stop.
Chơi mù lịch trả đó.
Quay
Bà
cho
là.
mấy nhà nha.
Hả? Có phải lúa chứ? Tôi lột bông rồi. What? Snake?
This rock.
What is that rock?
It's beautiful rock.
Oh. It's alright. Vâng à. Uh-oh, he's stuck. Oh.
Uh-oh, you stop. In your way, Theo.
Welcome to beautiful land. Nó giờ tôi ra ở châu Phi. Có bên tôi bự là hai giống nó. Để kia có châu nó giờ. Beautiful land á. Cho nu mà. Tao kể tôi nó ta lì chứ. Chia bao giấy để nó bự nó. Nho nó, ôi xì, nó bán đẹp cả mình. Bán đẹp của. Có. Ok. Một chạy lờ lơ.
Stand back to put the other canoe in.
Bye bye to Jabu.
Bye, Tuya.
See you in the next year 3000.
Okay, Daddy, wait for us. Don't go home without us.
Bye bye.
Lost the marble.
Oh, Tuja, your marble.
Tuya, your marble.
Mùa. So, we made it back all the way from Laos to Thailand.
Tickle.
Why?
Tickle.
Yeah, we survived.
Yeah.
100 water. Oh,
Remember, I got to go my
24.